night.
Hello. Salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, we just now have arrived in Cebu. Can't wait, it's gonna be epic. Let's go. We already made friends, you guys. Look at that. Kuya Sunny? Yeah. Shano. Shano? Yeah. We still haven't booked a hotel. Living life on the edge. Let's go. Damn, it smells like fish. Love it though, I love it. There's one thing that I miss about Bali, and that is riding a moped. Finally got a chance to ride the moped in the Philippines. It will be epic. Oh, it's hot! Sa loob. I don't know if you guys could see, but the sardines, man, there's millions of them. It's crazy. Just got finished cliff diving. That was pretty epic, cause that pretty much sums up our first day in Bohol. We decided that we're just gonna take it easy that night and wake up early in the morning. Good morning, you guys. Day 2 in Bohol. It is currently, what time is it? Almost 4 o'clock. Our driver is here waiting for us. We have the driver the whole day. He's just gonna drive us around and take us places that we have never seen before. It's gonna be awesome. Let's get it! Let's get it! Yeah. Welcome, Chocolate Hills!
Wow, dude. Chocolate milk.
We are currently
Filming and working out at the same time.
exactly. Dude, like carrying that thing is a workout. Fell down on my butt 5 times and I got a broken chanelas and a few scratches, but you know, this is all worth it.
So worth it.
So worth it. Like, this place is amazing. Ang ganda. Masarap ng buhay.
Sarap talaga ng buhay.
Masarap talaga ang buhay.
And a wink.
You guys have no idea what I just did. Crashed my drone, so we're gonna go on a road trip. Damn it. It's kind of cool to get this experience. Well, no luck with the drone. Tried to find it for about 20 minutes, but there's no luck. And that sucks, but shit happens. Filming the Tarshirs. We gotta be quiet though, because apparently they kill themselves if we're too loud or something. Damn, that scared me. Thought it was going after me. Si ate, tour guide namin, patawa. Trip ko.
Yung mukha patawa.
Sabi niya kamukha daw ni Edward yung Tarshir.
Hindi oh. Yun yung una.
What I realized with them, they can be either really cute or really creepy. This one's really cute though.
Never stop, make it last. Raise up our hands all night. Go where we want, rushing past all of the no's and why's. We can do it all. All the feels that feel so right. Look at me, looking at you, and we know we'll be fine. Like a bullet, speeding high. I'll be your ride or die. Let's do it. Oh, you know I'm up for anything. Oh, the world's our playground. We're the kids forever young. Running free, oh come on. You know we'll stay forever young. See the magic around. Let the feeling take you now. We're always down to go so much higher.
How's the energy level right now? Still pretty early, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. More tourists have arrived at Balikasan. Alan? Balikasan?
Balikasa.
Balikasan, Island. And I think we're gonna take one of these kayaks, float over that area over there, and see some turtles. There you go, cuz. Edward's about to hit your head. Yoko. We are on the way to see some majestic turtles. Let's get it. Holy shit, I almost hit that thing.
More fun in the Philippines!
I don't like sea.
We invited Kuya for tomorrow for the boat ride.
Island?
Ayaw na daw eh.
Going to the Virgin Island?
Hindi pa.
I don't eat. Yeah.
Takot daw sa tubig.
I don't like sea wool.
Pero ahas okay lang.
Okay lang. Pwede lang tingnan pero huwag hawakan. Mas lalong takot.